Hello everyone, this is Bill Henderson, Chief Investment Officer from Valley National Financial Advisors, coming to you today with another edition of Q&A with the Investment Department. So over the last week, we saw a pretty significant broadening out of the stock market. What do I mean by that? Instead of just the Magnificent Seven rallying, we've seen small cap stocks rallying. We've also seen industrial stocks rallying. Now, is this because of the Fed starting to really think about lowering interest rates, or are we finally seeing valuations changing and coming into play in that regard? Chris, what do you think?
Great question, Bill. I think what it comes down to is the big cap tech stocks that have been leading the market over the last 6-12 months. The risk reward has just gotten a little bit less favorable. The fundamentals are there for those businesses. They're going to continue to grow. They're going to continue to grow their employment base, that sort of thing. But I think investors are looking for where is there a better risk reward trade-off. And I think when you look at small cap stocks and you look at the traditional Dow component stocks, those have been laggards, but the risk reward is starting to look more favorable there. I think investors are just kind of swapping out of yesterday's winners and they're reallocating dollars to where there's just a little bit more upside potential. I think part of it is also driven by the belief that we're seeing better inflation figures coming out. We still see a healthy employment market, but it's softening a little bit, and I think that's putting the Fed in the glide path to likely lower interest rates later this year, and that means that cost of capital for small cap companies, it's going to come down, and that's just a boost to their business. So with all that said, Bill, have I missed anything? What are your thoughts?
No, I think that's a great summary. So valuations are at play, and it's an important place to begin to reallocate capital to the small cap sector. The Fed might really be lowering interest rates, probably not till September, maybe later in the year after September, but look for positive momentum and continuing broadening in the markets. Thanks for listening.